If you're also a Mailchimp user and you want to create a new audience for your Mailchimp account, then how you can do it? For this, open the Mailchimp on your computer, on your PC, on the browser in front of you, and click on the right top to log into your account. Now you have to enter your registered email ID and valid password for it. So to create a new audience in your Mailchimp account, follow these steps. These are official. Click the audience on the home page of your account in the audience dashboard on your Mailchimp. Then you have to click the manage audience drop down and choose view audiences. If you have only one audience, click on the manage audience drop down and choose view audiences. Then you will have an option in front of you that is about create a audience. So as you can see on the confirmation, you will have to click on create audience, enter the details, review the contact information for this audience, and in the form settings section, choose the view print for your account. As you can see, this is the Mailchimp. What I will do is official website, you can read out the details, and this is how you can simply create new audience on your Mailchimp account. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for watching more updates like this.